Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best baby proofing kits is probably one of the most essential investments any new parent can make, transforming your home into a safe haven for your curious little explorer and providing you with invaluable peace of mind as they begin to navigate their world with newfound mobility and an insatiable desire to touch, taste, and discover everything around them. Number 5. Eco Baby Magnetic Cabinet Locks, 12-pack. Introducing our magnetic cabinet locks, designed to keep your curious baby safe from harm. Ensure your home is a secure environment for your little explorer. These locks feature strong adhesive that holds firm, protecting your cabinets and drawers. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools for a quick and easy setup. Enjoy peace of mind without compromising your home's aesthetic. Our hidden design keeps your cabinets secure while maintaining a stylish look. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for complete baby proofing. Secure cabinets, drawers, and doors with ease. Make life easier for parents with our easy-to-use locks. They are simple for adults to operate but impossible for little hands to open. Each kit comes with 12 locks, 2 keys, and all necessary accessories for a complete installation. We even include extra adhesive for your convenience. What we like? These locks offer a hidden solution for your cabinets and drawers. They use strong adhesive to keep even determined toddlers out. If you are looking for a way to baby-proof your home without compromising on aesthetics, these are a great choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of latches and covers, making it easy to secure different types of cabinets and drawers. The adhesive is strong and holds the latches securely in place, even with frequent use. The covers are designed to be child-proof but easy for adults to open, preventing accidental access by toddlers. Number 4. Vmaisi Multi-Use Adhesive Straps Locks, 12-pack. Protect your little one from potential dangers. Prevent them from opening cabinets, fridges, and other household items that could lead to harm. These versatile locks are designed for a safe home environment. They are incredibly easy to use and fit perfectly on various furniture like cupboards, drawers, and appliances. We prioritize your child's safety above all else. Our products are crafted with the highest quality to ensure your baby's well-being. Installation is a breeze with our adhesive straps. There's no need for any tools or drilling, making the process quick and hassle-free. Keep your home secure and your child safe with these reliable locks. They provide peace of mind without compromising your furniture. Use them on drawers, fridges, dishwashers, toilet seats, cupboards, ovens, and trash cans. They are designed to work on a wide range of surfaces. What we like? These versatile strap locks can be used on a wide variety of appliances and furniture. They are easy to install without any tools or damage to your surfaces. If you need a flexible solution for childproofing various items like refrigerators, dishwashers, and cabinets, these are ideal. What people say. The kit includes a variety of latches and covers to secure different types of cabinets and drawers. Installation was straightforward, and the adhesive holds strong without damaging surfaces. The safety locks are easy for adults to operate but difficult for toddlers to open. Number 3. Mom's Choice Gold Awards Winner Outlet Covers. Introducing our award-winning outlet covers, featuring an upgraded hidden ring pull handle. This innovative design makes it easy for adults to remove while keeping little ones out. Crafted from premium, eco-friendly ABS material, these covers are built to last. They are wear-resistant, durable, and reusable, ensuring long-term safety for your home. Perfect for all standard 3-prong outlets and power strips, they blend seamlessly with your decor. Their discreet white design won't attract unwanted attention from children. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. Simply press the cover into the outlet, and it's securely in place, ready to protect your family. With 45 covers in each pack, you can ensure your children's safety at home, in the office, or even on vacation. Keep them away from potential power hazards wherever you go. What we like? These outlet covers are designed with a hidden handle for easy adult access. Made from high-quality, durable material, they effectively block access to electrical outlets. If you have many outlets to cover and want a solution that is easy for you to use but difficult for children, this large pack is perfect. What people say. The kit includes a variety of latches and covers that fit different types of cabinets and drawers. The adhesive is strong and holds the latches securely, even on textured surfaces. The covers are easy for adults to remove but difficult for toddlers to open. Number 2. 12-pack Child Safety Cabinet Locks. Introducing our Child Safety Cabinet Locks, designed for ultimate home protection. Keep your little ones safe from potential hazards with ease. Our special locking mechanism is simple for adults but impossible for curious toddlers and pets to open. Ensure your home is a safe haven for everyone. These locks are perfect for cabinets, drawers, refrigerators, and more. Childproof your kitchen, bathroom, and nursery with one simple solution. Forget about drills and screws. Our strong adhesive straps install in seconds, providing a secure hold without damaging your furniture. Need to remove them? Simply use a hairdryer or alcohol. They come off cleanly, leaving no sticky residue or marks behind. Made from premium, non-toxic, BPA-free materials, these locks are built to last. They are bite-resistant and completely safe for daily use by children and pets. What we like? These safety straps provide a secure and adjustable way to childproof your home. The strong adhesive ensures they stay put, and installation requires no drilling. If you need a reliable, damage-free solution for cabinets, drawers, fridges, and ovens, these are an excellent option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of latches and covers, making it easy to secure different types of cabinets and drawers. The adhesive is strong and holds the latches securely, even with a determined toddler. The covers fit snugly over outlets, preventing little fingers from accessing the electrical sockets. Number 1. Vmaisi Childproof Outlet Covers. Introducing our outlet covers, designed for ultimate child safety. Simply insert them into unused outlets for instant protection. This generous 62-piece set ensures you can childproof every unused outlet in your home. It's perfect for daily use and travel. These covers are designed to stay securely in place, resisting removal by little hands. Adults can easily remove them when needed. Add these essential caps to any unused outlets. They fit directly into existing sockets, providing a necessary safety measure. Help prevent accidental contact with electrical hazards. These plugs offer a quick and easy solution for baby-proofing your home. Keep your little ones safe wherever you go. They are perfect for use at home, hotels, or vacation homes. What we like? This large pack of outlet covers offers a simple and quick way to baby-proof unused electrical sockets. They are easy to install and remove when needed. If you need to childproof multiple rooms, are traveling, or staying at hotels, this extensive set provides great value and convenience. What people say. The kit comes with a variety of latches and covers, making it easy to secure different types of cabinets and drawers. The adhesive is strong and holds the latches securely in place, even with frequent use. The design of the latches is discreet and blends well with most furniture, so it doesn't detract from the home's aesthetic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.